In this video, you can see how to set a database into read-only mode on replication. Here you can see this is the master. I have a demo DB. Select star from E10 is the table name. We have two records. Same here. You can go for in slave. Okay. You can see here. But the thing is, if you make it read write, there is a problems in this one. While doing any replication, it may cause some issues. Okay, that later we can discuss about that. Here in this, we'll see how to make it read only. Here I can able to insert into values 1 comma name, any name. Okay, any name. See, it is inserted. It is means it is in read write mode. We should not make it read write. As per your companies, that is okay. I am deleting. Okay, this is not recommendable. We can keep it read only mode. How you can do that? Okay, these things make it. This is master server. Done. Okay, now you can't do that. If you want to insert any record into cannot execute because conflicting read lock. Okay, that is the thing you can do. Or you can do, if you want to do permanently also, you can do. How you can do? Go to etc my config.